Hi, this is Tommy Hall with MathNook.com, and I'm here to give a quick overview on how to play our numbers and cannons game. Specifically, this is the even and odd version. We also have rounding versions, and we're going to have a prime composite version, and we have some other versions out there. And roughly, they'll play the same. So if you're coming in from a link from a different game and you think you might be in the wrong video, you're probably not. All the games play pretty much the same way, with the difference being the math skill practice, and there's little variations in there, but I'll kind of explain what those might be based on the skill. So when you first start the game, this is the menu you'll see, and this game is located on MathNook.com on our main page, and if you go to towards the top of the page, you'll see games by category, and you'll see a bunch of math skills there: addition, subtraction, and down in alphabetical order you'll come across even and odd, and you would click on that to get this particular game. Or rounding, you'd click on the rounding text link to get to the rounding games, and this game would be there. The rounding version, this game would be there, and so on. None of our games ever require any membership or sign up, and they're always free to play. And we have math games, fun games, and teaching tools you can use and play. Okay, let's take a look at the main menu. And before we start, if you click on the More Games button, that will take you to our sister site, lofgames.com, and LOF stands for Lots of Fun Games. And they also have math and fun games, and there's ever any memberships or sign up required, and everything also is free to play. The video button will take you to the page on MathNook that has this video. The instructions shows you tells you how to play specifically for every version you're playing. This one talks about the even and odd, and the other versions would be specific to their instruction, but we're not going to go over that since I'm going to show you how to play. Let's go ahead and click back. And I'm going to go ahead and click play. And here's all the levels you can play. And I have it unmuted now. If I wanted the sound to come in, I'd click this button, and it would turn the sound back on. The clear data button is in all our games, and it refers to clearing out the level save data. So if you had completed 15, or say the person before you was playing and they'd completed 13 or 14 levels, and you wanted to start over back to where you were, to like it is now, you just click clear data, and you would say yes or no, yes to clear it, and no not to clear it, and that's really all that means right there. So in the let's go ahead and take a look at the first level. And it says determine if the number in the barrel, and it's talking about this barrel, and is even or odd, and click the corresponding even or odd button below, then shoot the barrel to destroy it. So the number's odd, so we would click odd, but if we click even, it says even shot loaded, and then I move the cursor, get the angle and the power setting and angle of the shot, and if you notice, it says oops, a barrel got away. And you can reload, which is retry. So we have another odd number. Now we click odd. Now this time it should blow up, and we'll go to the next level. And I got 3 stars because I only used one shot, and that's what was required. If I'd have used 2 or possibly 3, I don't know exactly what it is on this level, but it would start. The more shots I used, the amount of stars would go down. And it's kind of fun if you do a level and you only got 2 stars, to go back and try to get 3 stars in each level. Let's go in the next one, and I want to go ahead and get to a level. I want to show you one thing. Go ahead and shoot that. Move on to the next one. Go to the next. Okay, it says, now this is what I want to show you about the regular. I haven't mentioned the regular ammo yet. It says slide the plank out by shooting it. Only use ammo you won't need later. And so what happens is, if I was to use a bunch of odd, see there's 2 odd numbers here, and they're all random, but if I wasted a bunch of shots trying to get this plank moved, Then once it was moved, I might find that I don't have enough odd numbered ammo, which is what I need. So on this particular one, I would use a regular shot because I want to move the plank and I don't want to burn up any of my odd ammo in case my aim is bad. But even if I did, I could always just restart. So I'm going to use regular ammo. Slide that out of the way, and now go ahead and load odd. Let's see. And that's how you complete that level. Same thing with this one. One thing it says, dark clouds will destroy cannonballs, and I'll go ahead and show you what that does. It just disappears. So on this, I want to use regular also to get rid of this box. Oop. See, and I missed, and if I'd been using an odd or even, I'd have less of that ammo. You've got plenty of ammo, but as the levels get a little bit more, as you move through the levels, they get more complex, and you will need more shots. So it's always good to preserve your even and odd ammo when you're just wanting to destroy something or hit something else that's not a barrel. Let's go ahead and get that, and now I can get these two barrels. One thing I do want to say, sometimes you can't tell if it's a 6 or 9, but this is always the bottom. The little dot represents, that's the bottom of the barrel, and that's, if you look at that, this is a 98, and that across there, this would be the 6, and this would be the 9. So the settings, you can go back to the menu, you can mute the sound or unmute it, go back to game, and there's how you reset the level. And you notice when you first start, if I click, it keeps telling me that no ammo is loaded, that I need to load up some ammo. Okay, well that's a quick video. This gameplay is is very simple in respect that how to play. And again, if you have any questions or have any suggestions or would like to see more levels, be sure and drop us a line, email at info@mathnook.com. So I hope you have fun playing the game. Hope the video helps some, and thanks for watching.